Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X4 GT, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, and in here find the toggle for the Do Not Disturb mode. Oh, there it is. Took me a moment to find it. As you can see, it is a little bit abbreviated. It says DND for Do Not Disturb, but that is basically the mode. Now once you locate this toggle and one icon, you want to hold it. And the reason I recommend holding it is because this will take you to the settings, and if you're doing this the first time around, it's advised to check out the settings and customize them to your liking if they don't fit to your exact needs. So when you scroll down, you will see Do Not Disturb in the gray text, and then everything below that will be associated with the actual mode. So right here we have the actual toggle for it, which is the same thing as if you would tap on the button right here. So if I do it right now, you can see that it will be checked on. We have a schedule, so you can set up a schedule. It will turn on and off your Do Not Disturb mode automatically at the provided time and the day of the week. Then we have when device is locked. This means that when this is enabled and your Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, it will only function when you're not using your device. When you're holding it in the hand, it will function normally. And then notify about repeated callers, which allows you to get notifications about people that have tried to call you twice within a 15-minute period. And this option will bypass whatever you will select right here. So as you can see, by default it is set to none, so technically no one should be able to call me, but if I have this enabled, I'll get notifications regarding someone that has tried to call me twice within that time period. So anyway, once you have set everything up to your liking, you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode whenever you need it by simply tapping on it. And if you're planning to use the schedule instead, then all you would need to do is make sure that it is enabled right here, so like this, and you can set it up from here. So anyway, once you're done with it, you just tap on the toggle once more to turn it off. And for schedule, you don't need to do anything extra. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.